Alright, welcome back everybody. We're looking at part 2 now, and we're still on acids and bases. I'm going to do a couple more examples just to make sure you're hunky-dory with things. And we're going to start out with MgOH2 plus H3PO4. Mg will join with the PO4. The H will join with the OH. So we've got Mg and PO4 over here, just one of each, plus one H plus and one OH minus to give H2O. We're not joining all of that stuff together, just one H plus and one OH minus. That's all we need. That gives us H2O. Alright, going with what we went with before, we'll put the charges on these, we'll figure out the formula of the salt that we get. Rewriting the problem. This is what I want you to do too. It's the coolest way of doing it. Mg3PO42 is the compound we get. If you need more information on how I get that, go back to Module 8 and take a look. Plus H2O. Now I need to balance out the entire reaction. So now I see I've got 3 magnesiums here. So I'll put a 3 in front of here. I see I've got 2 phosphates here, so I'll put a 2 in front of that. Now that's all balanced. Now I've got to figure out how to balance the rest of it. We've got 3 MgOH2s. Alright, so I've got to figure out how many oxygens we've got out of that. What I'll do is I'll just draw pictures of that. And we need 3 of them because that's what we've got. And if I count up the oxygens here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygens. That means I'll put a 6 in front of here. I'm going to clear that out now. I don't really need that anymore. And we'll figure out how many hydrogens we've got. We've got 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 times 3 is 6. That's a total of 12 hydrogens over here. And we've got 12 hydrogens over here as well. So that means our entire reaction is balanced and everything looks pretty good. Okay, one more example. I'll clear all that out. Let's do another example here. Let's say we've got CaHSO42 plus CaOH2. Well, this one looks like it's a little bit more complex, but really it's not as bad as it looks. We're going to have the Ca here join with the SO4. I know there's 2 calciums there, but we can't worry about that yet. We'll balance that all out at the end. And then we get the H here joining with the OH. And there's our water right here. Remember, just one of each, folks. Just one of each over on this side. Looking at the charges, we get Ca2 plus and SO4 2 minus. Remember, go back to Module 8 if you don't know what I'm doing. And if we join those two together, that'll just be CaSO4 plus H2O. Now I can balance out the entire reaction. We've got 2 calciums here, so I'll put a 2 in front of there. And we've got, let's see, oxygens. We've got 2 of those, so we'll put a 2 in front of there. And look at the hydrogens. We've got 2 hydrogens here plus 2 here. That'd be a total of 4 hydrogens and 4 hydrogens. And what do you know? We've balanced the reaction. So there you go. Alright, that's it for now on the balancing of acid-base reactions.